Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 2.3, question number 1. Our question is, find 1 by 4 of, 1 by 4 is the first part, 3 by 5 is the second part of the question and 4 by 3 is the third part of the question. So all the three problems should be solved separately. So first let us do the A problem now. So the question A is 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 actually. So 1 by 4 of is common for all the three problems. So 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 we have to find. So here half means multiplication. Half means multiplication. So that we have to change now. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So we have written. Now multiplication fraction is very easy. We need to multiply both the numerators and we need to multiply both the denominators. If we don't have anything to cancel. Cancellation means numerator and denominator should be the multiple of the same number or they should come in the common table. Then we can cancel. Otherwise, we can multiply directly and we can write. So here 1 ones are 1, 4 fours are it will be 16. That is your final answer. Let's go to the B problem now. So the question B, again 1 by 4 of 3 by 5 should write. After writing that half should be changed into multiplication, that is 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. So numerator 3, denominator some other numbers, not possible to come in the same tables. So let us go for multiplication. 1 into 3, 3. 1 3s are 3. Denominator 4 5s are 20. You can write it. Third one, C problem. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So here again half should be changed into multiplication. So 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. Either you can multiply and cancel or you can cancel and do the answer. Here 4 is in numerator, 4 is in denominator. Both will come in 4 table one time. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 again. So both are same table, we can cancel it. Now the remaining number you can multiply. 1 ones are 1. 1 3s are it will be 3. That is your final answer. So we'll go on to the next problem now. Second part, multiple and reduce to the lowest form if possible. First we need to multiple, then we have to reduce. If any common tables are there, then we have to cancel. That is the meaning for the lowest form. So before going for multiplication, that mixed fraction number should be changed into improper. So the first number is normally given 2 by 3, take as it is. Multiple by, this one is a mixed fraction, we have to make it into the improper. How to make means, these two numbers should be multiplied. After multiplying, that answer should be added with this number. Then again 3 should be given as a denominator. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 will be 8. So 8 should be the numerator. Divided by, here the denominator is 3. So here also you have to write the denominator as 3. So numerator and denominator, they don't have any common tables also. So 2 8s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. 16 and 9 both will not come in the same tables. So you have to leave as it is. We'll go on to the next problem now. 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. So here 7 is common. We can cancel. This is 7 ones are, this is 7 ones are 7. So the remaining 2 ones are 2 and 1 nines are 9 we have to write. So here we simplified and we multiplied. Suppose if you want to multiply directly, I am saying the one more way also here. So 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. Either we can multiply directly. 2 7s are 14 and 7 9s are it will be 63. After multiplying, 14 and 63 will come in 7 tables. We can cancel it. 7 table, 7 2s are 14, 7 9s are 63. Again 2 by 9 will be the answer. So here we are multiplied first, then we are doing the simplification. Here we are simplifying first, we are writing the answer. Anyway you will be getting the correct answer. We'll move on to the next problem now. Here, so let us multiply, then we'll do the simplification. So 3 into 6, 3 6 are it will be 18 and here 8 4s are it will be 32. So here 18 and 32 it will come in many tables. Now we'll go for a 2 table first. In 2 table 18 how many times we have to think? We know that 2 9s are 18, and 32 is 2 16s are 32. If you don't know this one, what you should do is that 32 we can divide it by 2 directly. So 1 2s are 2, balance 1, 2 and 6, 12, 0. So 16. 2 16s are actually 32. So this number also coming in 2 tables, this number also coming in 2 tables. Let us cancel. So 2 9s are 2 16s are. You should not write this 2. That is a common table we are using. For 9 and 16 we don't have any common table. So you just write your answer as it is 9 by 16. That is your final answer. Let's go on to the last problem. 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. So let us write first. 1 into 15 will be 15 and 3 8s are it will be 24. So both will come in 3 tables. So 3 tables, this is actually 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are it will be 24. So 3 should not write because we are cancelling by 3 table. This is how many times 3 5s are. This is how many times 8 times. So 8s are. You should not write 3 anywhere. We are using the 3 table, we are cancelling it. How many times it is coming, that only you have to represent as the answer. So 5 by 8, that is your correct answer, children. You can try the remaining problem by yourself. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.